All right, today we're gonna bring a squirrel feeder, and this is actually a beautiful little, iconic little bench, picnic bench, if you guys can see it. Now, putting it together, it took me a couple of minutes. All right, I actually had to put a screw right into the middle, and you have to set it up for the umbrella because yes, there's an actually umbrella in here. That's pretty neat. A little mini umbrella that you guys can see. Now they do have a side water. This is for the water, and there's a little clips here that go in front, and it just drops in there. That's pretty much it. Now we're not going to use this as an eyesore. I wanted to capture a moment where some squirrels come in and eat and sit down on the bench and enjoy themselves. Now the actual wood is treated, all right, so for outdoor graded, right, so you don't have to worry about this. It shouldn't be any moisture. If you guys can see, it's all burned off. There's a mesh in between. That's pretty much it. So we're going to put this to use and see how it looks.